Everybody, it's Donna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a weekly, that should have, sorry, a weekly plan with me in my social media planner for the week of March the 15th through the 21st. And if you're excited to see what's going to happen in today's video, stay tuned. Let's get started. All right, as per usual, did a quick little pull ahead. And today's spread, I've been wanting to use these florals in my spread with the little pots. So what I've done is I've tried to mimic a shelf that sits on a wall for these. And I'm just going to start out with, I think what I'm going to do is cut the edge there on the very bottom just to give it some flatness, so it looks like it's totally sitting. I love these. I just think that they're super cute, and I have been wanting to do something different, something sort of boho and something sort of, I don't know, just with these little fire pots, and I've been wanting to do it for a long time, so here we are. Alrighty, they are just so cute. I mean, I just can't even. If you all haven't caught it, you need to check out my haul video from Michael's, Joann's, and Dollar Tree. Really cute. I got a lot of cute stuff, and I got a lot of cute videos coming up. So I took this sticker from, this is actually out of a sticker book that's for the big planner, and I turned it this way and then just put that there, trying to bring in a little more of the boho theme there. And then let me see how I'm doing this. I can't remember what all I was. Okay. So up here, I took a sort of an Aztec type sticker and layered over top of it this "You Have to Nourish to Flourish" sticker. And I'm just going to stick that right up here. Try to get it as straight as possible. Just enough space to where it covers up that weekly highlights that was there. I know it's not perfectly straight, but I'm not pulling it back up. And then I'm going to put a floral here. And all I did was I took, let me see, this washi right here. And I took this washi and ran across it. I hate it when people say acrossed. Crossed is not a word. All right. So that it made like a little makeshift shelf. And then I'm going to cut this clear off the bottom and put it. I don't like that. Yes, that was a dry line. White out. I know you're shocked. Okay, there's that. Then on Tuesdays is my take out the trash day. Just gonna put that right there because I still want it to be functional. And where I changed where that was at, I'm going to cut off one of these little circles so that it won't, I'm going to put this upside down, be in the way of that. I don't want it to hit the leaf. And then we're going to put, turn that back up, And this is going to go here. I know, it's not exactly the way I wanted it, but, you know, my placement's a little off based on my wax paper. So what I might do, let's see here, is put this right here. Got that on my finger. And I might take my, I don't know if I should cut that off or just leave it. I mean, I think it's okay the way it is. I mean, it serves its purpose. And then, of course, on Tuesdays is my day off, which here lately feels like an award because the struggle bus is real, and that's all I'm saying. And then I'm going to put this right here. And what I'm, oops, that's crooked as a dog's hind leg. And what I may do here is, after I straighten this up, there we go, is take this and I might take this and see if I can lift that up. There. That way, when I get ready to put down my little icon things here, I have the full use of that space. I just want to be able to use everything effectively. Okay, so here's this page. Now we're going to get started over here on this page. And I am going to start over here with another shelf. And we're going to put it down here. With our purple. I hope everybody's week's been good. Glad mine's over. And I am excited for the weekend. I have the whole weekend to myself. And I'm super duper happy. Because I am super duper tired. So I'm taking this sticker and putting it, oh poo, right there. And then I'm going to put this one right there. I'm going to take this to do and put it I'm going to go ahead and place my other shelf. I used all, I think that 2 of the planner florals, these little, I think I used all but 2. I think there was a couple that I would have duplicated, I think. So I didn't want to do that. My favorite, and of course, is that one. You know, you don't even have to ask why. You know, everybody knows I love pink. I've really been digging some purple here lately. Just because, I'm telling you, these sticker books that Happy Planner is coming out with are amazing. Like, the purples are really, really talking to me a bunch. And I'm telling you, I'm loving what they're coming out with, and the fact that you can do so much. I really love how this is turning out. This is sort of different, pretty much from anything I've really done. I do a lot of different stuff, but I love that boho look, but I feel like I really can't ever pull it off. I can pull it off when I'm doing for somebody else. And I've even went back and forth here at my home about doing boho, but I can't do it. So I want to put this like right here. Let me white. I can't tell you how happy I am to have white out. That I can do that quickly. Okay. I love that. Love, love, love that. And then I'm going to take and put this little sticker right against here. I may have to turn this upside down to get it to line up the way I want it to, so it doesn't look sort of cray. Alrighty. There's that one. I just like this little nesting I decided to do together. I thought it was super, super cute. And I hope you guys will too. And then I'm just going to put this one here. Trying to keep it straight. And I'm going to put this one. If I can get it on here without making a hot mess. I know what I was going to ask you guys. Okay, I think I'm at the point where I've watched everything literally on TV. And I'm struggling. Like, the struggle bus is real. I want something new to watch. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I know, squirrel. I am so random at times I aggravate myself. Bridgerton has been approved for season 2, and I am so happy. I know I can't sing. All right, anyway, if you have any suggestions, I do not like horror, just so you know. I don't like anything scary. I don't like anything horror. I'd like to have your suggestions, please, because quite frankly, I'm running out of stuff to watch. All right, guys, let me take my little card here and do a little mash here. Make sure everything's down super good so it doesn't look all filmy, we'll say. Really does help for the stuff not to look all, you know, crazy. All right. So, what do you think? I'm really liking it. If I could get the thing straight, it'd be all right. Alrighty. I'm loving it. I think it's like super, super cute. And I think that I love the colors. And that's one of the reasons I picked these colors, is because this was already blue. And I didn't want to have to change any of that. So this made that possible. You still have tons of functionality here. You have the dots here, test dots here, 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 here. And you could still put stuff here, a little notation here and here. So you have tons of functional space for writing and notating, okay? While still having a creative spread, okay? Function versus creativity, okay? So, let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here and you like the content that you're seeing, consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube planner family. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Be blessed, be safe, and be kind. See you guys on the next one. Bye.